Right, I'm going to attempt to show you how to do cable without a cable needle. So the next one is cable back. So we want the 2 stitches here to go back and these to come across the front. We're going to slide those 4 stitches off. You'll notice they don't go anywhere, but I'm making sure I'm not pulling anything too tight. Slip them into the first 2 stitches, so the second 2 stitches sit at the front. Pick the second 2 stitches up with the point of your right needle and pop them back on. I've got a little bit of thread there that's just dropped off, so I'm just going to pop that back on, and now they're in the correct order to knit. So you then just knit across all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's your cable to the right, or cable back. And then the next 4 we want to be cabling to the left, or cable front. So these 2 stitches have to come across and these 2 stitches are at the back. So the first thing is to slip the first 2 stitches purlwise so they sit on the right needle, they haven't been worked yet. Knit the next 2 stitches, and then again you'll notice I'm dropping the wool off my hand. I'm going to pull the needle out of the 4 stitches that I've just worked, and they just sit there. I'm going to put the needle back into the 2 stitches that are on the left that have already been knitted, and pick up the 2 stitches that are to the right that haven't been worked yet, those 2 stitches that I slipped. And then I'm going to knit those 2 stitches, and that's my cable left. So I'll do that again. This is cabling to the right, so I'm going to take all 4 off, or cable back, place the needle in the first 2 stitches, place the right needle in the second 2 stitches, and put them back onto the needle. So I've changed the position of those stitches, and then I'm going to knit all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the next 4 I want to change it the other way round. So I want these 2 to come across here, so I'm going to slip those 2 purlwise onto the right needle, knit the next 2 stitches, and then take the needle out of all 4 stitches and put it back into the 2 knitted stitches on the right, and the left needle picks up the 2 stitches on the that you slipped earlier on the right there, and you just knit those 2. Makes it much quicker. This wool's not very slippy, so it won't drop down, and if it does drop down you just pick it up. So if that one drops, for example, I've gone down 2 strands there, so I will pick the stitch that's dropped up on my right needle, and I'll pick the bar up behind, going in front to back, and then just like a cast on, lift it up over the top. So then I pick the next bar up like I'm climbing a ladder and lift it over the top, and then pop it back on the left needle so it sits the correct way round. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.